Request nyo, pagbibigyan ko. Ngayon, gagawin na natin ang hinihingin yung recipe ng beef tapa, but with a special twist.
Simpol, simpol. Luto na, ha.
Sisimulan natin yung ating tapa sa pag-marinate ng ating beef. So, gamit ko dito ay beef sirloin na cut into thin strip. Pero ito siya, pinound ko siya para mas lumambot siya. No, very thin yung ating beef. And to marinate, we will use soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of liquid seasoning, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. So this is more than 1 tablespoon. Mag-iwan ako ng konti para later. May paggagamitan tayo. And calamansi juice. Around 1 tablespoon of calamansi juice. And 2 tablespoons of pineapple juice. So yun ang ating base marinade. Maglalagay ako ng konting cornstarch. So I'm adding 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Why is that? Kasi yung gusto ko when I fry it, hindi siya nagiging watery or nagiging saucy. So I want a dry kind of tapa. I don't want a tapa that turns out like a bistec. The longer we marinate it, the better the flavor. But let's not also marinate it too long or else magfo-ferment din yung ating beef. And lastly, cracked black pepper. So that is our simple, very simple tapa recipe marinade. So let's just assume that we have already marinated this for at least 4 hours or better yet, overnight. And we will just fry our tapa pieces. So I'll heat up a pan with some oil. So yung gusto ko sa tapa, yung salty, sour, and a very mild sweetness. Ayaw ko ng matamis masyado na tapa. Just to balance the acidity. And we fry our tapa pieces. Look at that, it fries. Because of the cornstarch, hindi nagiging watery, hindi nagsustew yung ating tapa. And we just cook it to brown. And we just turn over our tapa, you see. And yung gagawin natin, usually pag kumakain tayo ng tapa, it's usually a tapsilog, so sinangagan itlog. But today, we're gonna make it different using one recipe, but a different presentation para naman to make our meal more exciting. Meron akong rice, which I cook with turmeric. So sinangaglan, nilagyan ko lang ng turmeric and a little salt. So we're going to make it a shawarma plate, no? So, put our tapa. Look at that, beautiful pieces of tapa. And it's so mabango. The perfect balance of alat, tamis. And our tapa is done. Look at that. Kung tapsilog yan, it's so perfect already. Pero we want to make something different for this. I just have Greek yogurt, like 1/4 cup or lesser. And I have a tablespoon of honey. I just season with salt, a little pepper, and my minced garlic. So yung sobra kanina, di ba sabi ko magtatabi ako ng konting garlic for my dressing. Look at that. It's done. And we just drizzle our yogurt sauce over. Yan, sa rice na natin lalagay and the vegetable. Konting garnish pa dyan. Cilantro. Look at that. Our Filipino tapa made international by just changing the side dishes and adding our garlic yogurt sauce. It's so beautiful, it's so appetizing, sobrang ganda sa mata, and a twist from our usual tapsilog, beef tapa, Simpol! Nagustuhan niyo ba ang video na to? Please share para lalong dumaming ating mga kasimpol. And don't forget to subscribe to our Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram accounts.